No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirts, he's had a shot! Oh, the ball's come loose! Lobs it in gently. Well positioned to make that interception. Ferran Torres just brushed off the ball there. And here's Aubameyang, Maradona. And it's played forward. Forward it goes. Oh, tries a shot! It's about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, I think two keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out, never mind one. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the placement.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Could be a chance, has a hit of sight.
And how about the timing of the pass and run? They've worked it before and no doubt they'll work it again.
Manchester United get themselves a two-goal cushion.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is...
Forward tracking back like that, always appreciated by the crowd.
I think it's great to see that kind of application and desire from a forward who wants to help out his defence. I think, you know, any good team, really, your striker should be the first line of that defence, and he's delivering.
Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Just ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Now it's Aubameyang. The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Maguire plays it forward. Pogba, forward pass, nicely worked. Oh, what a ball! Beckham standing over it. Beckham! Beckham! They have done it again! Just so calm under pressure.
Well, I think that defence there thought they were in good position and they had him where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked the scoring position.
And the shot, highest order! And they're at it again in double quick time!
Manchester United are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heaven.
Manchester United tear their opponents apart once again. They are utterly ruthless.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way. Manchester United have been more or less perfect, I would say. Their manager's all smiles, and he's got every reason to be.
Manchester United, big chance! Real chance! It's a brilliant interception. Medved battles to win it back. Chance! And the shot! If it hadn't occurred already.
Yeah, by the looks of it, there may be still more to come.
His second of the game, and an eye now for the hat-trick. Oh, shooting chance! In for the follow-up. Header! It's bounced out! Tries to get it forward. Once more, they can't get through. Beckham, already, of course, on the score sheet. And it's Rashford. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Rashford has a goal! The onslaught.
It's part of the game, Peter. It has to get ruthless. Sympathy just doesn't play a part.
He snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
Well, he's been the outstanding player on the pitch and devastating in front of goal. What a display. What a player.
Oh, good interception.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Bailly was well to read it and intercepts. It was on the back foot. Rashford. It's Rashford!
Well, I wasn't expecting them to go this big, Peter, but they have been superb. Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Font gets into the right position to intercept. Tries to stroke it through. Bailly is there, and he can get that clear. Cuts it out. A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey.
Pogba. Rashford gets it back. Nicely measured pass. And that is it. The referee has seen enough. Manchester United winners.
Decisive area.